To make a Tradingview indicator, start by opening the Tradingview website and navigating to the Pine editor, which is the platform's built-in programming language. Create a new script by clicking on the New button and selecting Indicator from the drop-down menu. Give your script a name and description. Then start coding your indicator using Pine script. Begin by defining the input parameters such as length, source, and color, which will determine how your indicator behaves and looks. Use the plot function to display your indicator on the chart, specifying the series you want to plot and the color and style of the line. You can also use the line.new function to draw lines and the label.new function to add text labels to your indicator. To make your indicator more interactive, use the input function to allow users to input their own values for parameters such as length and source. You can also use the if statement to create conditional logic and the for loop to repeat a series of statements. Once you have written your code, add it to the Tradingview chart by clicking the Add to Chart button. You can then test and refine your indicator by adjusting the input parameters and seeing how it affects the output. To share your indicator with others, click the Publish Script button and follow the prompts to make it publicly available. When publishing your script, make sure to include a clear description and instructions on how to use it, as well as any relevant tags or categories. By following these steps and practicing with different scripts and indicators, you can become proficient in creating your own custom Tradingview indicators and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always test and validate your indicators before using them in live trading, and to continuously monitor and refine them to ensure they remain effective.